Good morning, guys.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my car.
Yes, we are here ready to start a little vlog.
And today I want to try this new camera, the ZV-1, because it's made for vlogs, so let's try it. And we're gonna go to a place near my house and her house basically. But it's cool, there are waterfalls, and also of course we want to go eat in a place that...
Sicilian typical restaurant.
Yeah, in a Sicilian restaurant. Basically they make arancini, which is like fried balls of rice with meat inside, and I can't wait for that. So stay tuned and follow us. Bye!
Hi!
So we arrived in Rignano. It's a place I have super close to my house, but I never visited the ancient part of this place, basically, the medieval part. So today we're gonna cover for that. And also, tell me if you like this mask.
Rimzler's mask.
Because I think it's really, really cool.
Sad news, guys.
So it's always like this for us, like we hype up a lot about a place and we wanted to go eat there, but we are here and the place
It's closed.
is closed. We tried calling and there is nobody inside.
We don't know where to eat. We are looking for food. Exploring Rignano.
And like there is this place, which of course is full of scribbles right there. But this is supposed to be like the place where you go and wash your clothes once. Like now the water is dirty green and you cannot wash your clothes anymore here.
All the restaurants are closed.
Yeah, because it's Wednesday, there is COVID, and places are forbidden to open at night, but they can do takeout. So most of them are just closed because it just isn't worth it to be open at lunch, because the places inside are limited and there are expenses, of course. So we're gonna go to a
Bar.
a pizzeria, takeout pizzeria, and be done with it. Also, we saw they have arancini, which is fried balls, so I mean,
We open this.
we hope at least to recover some of that. So
Hi
things
guys,
downscalated.
this is the lunch.
Things downscalated really quick. We couldn't eat inside the pizzeria, of course. So we have taken the stuff and we're gonna eat in the car because there is no bench around, so we cannot sit.
Unboxing of the lunch.
Let's see what's inside, what we got. So we got two arancini, which is the fried balls of rice we wanted.
Yes.
One with prosciutto, ham, and the other one with ragu, which is bolognese sauce.
Yes.
And then we got two fried pieces of pizza.
Yes. The next.
Yeah, here we have a selection
You remember
of pizza.
to Puglia?
This is the focaccia barese we ate in Puglia, so of course we gotta get that. But then we have other pizza like cheese pizza with ham.
Guys, we are very satisfied for the focaccia. It's very good.
Yeah, I ate it in, in 10 seconds. It was amazing, very soft, very well made. I mean, for being not in Puglia, it was great actually.
And now the time of arancino. Oh.
Bello. Very nice. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess this time, but
Oops. Hi guys, we are here after lunch.
she's super red.
Yes, for the carbs.
But I mean, we didn't eat too much. We are lucky we found something at least to eat. And now we're gonna finally go to the place with the waterfalls. It's really famous. It's called Cascate of Monte Gelato, Waterfalls of Monte Gelato. And this is a spoiler for another vlog that's coming very soon. This is a beautiful little town in Italy. So we arrived in the place.
Yes, Mazzano
and,
Romano.
Mazzano Romano, in the waterfalls of ice cream.
Monte Gelato.
And we are in the middle of nowhere basically, and we are going down there
Yeah.
to see those waterfalls.
Those big waterfalls.
So we arrived at the waterfalls. So we just arrived at the waterfalls. I don't know why she undressed.
No, nothing.
And to reach there I need this fella right here. So let's see how it goes. I hope I don't lose it. and she's going away because she's really cold. And in fact this place is called Frozen Mountain Waterfalls basically. And this was a lovely place to be.
Yeah.
We had fun, we were a bit cold.
It's very
Humid, like humidity is crazy here. Of course, like we are in waterfalls.
Look at these roots.
Look at these roots. It's crazy. And now we go home. And we are back in the warmth of our car. Like our air are super damp.
Humidity is very high.
Yeah, of course, the waterfall. And that's it for today. I mean, I flew, we ate kinda. Next time it will go better.
Yeah.
See you in the next time. Bye.
Bye.